Hi, in this video I will show you how to turn off quick ad on the Snapchat. So process is pretty simple. If you don't want people add you through quick ad on the Snapchat, then you can simply turn it off and you will not receive friend request from the strangers. So how you can basically do it, simply open your Snapchat mobile application and you have to click on your profile icon on the left top, and once you will click on it, now you have to click on the settings from the right top here, and now you have to scroll up and you will see multiple options. You have to search for the see me in quick ad. Simply tap on it and you will see right now it's turned on. Simply turn it off. So this is the procedure. Now go back. No one will be add you with the quick add option. So this is the process. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.